Hello everyone, so we are done with the if and else in our previous video. In this video, we will talk about switch case. Okay, so we have used one variable, for example, today, and we are writing some value that is Saturday. Okay, and now in this switch case, we are writing the same variable name, which is dollar sign and today. So right now we know the value of today is what Saturday. And here in switch case, we have different case like case Sunday, case Saturday, then case Monday, and likewise you can add more also. And at the end, we have written default. Okay, so if it is case Saturday, also you can say if the value of this variable is Saturday, then it will directly jump to that particular case only. So at this point, what will happen when it will come to switch and the value of this variable is Saturday, it will skip this part, okay, and directly it will jump to your case Saturday. It will print echo and it will print weekend time, and we have used break. What is the meaning of break is nothing but it will come out of your switch case. So here is the closing bracket of switch case, and it will be end of program. So we'll quickly run this program also, and again we are using the same that file only. So Control S, and this was our earlier program output. So we'll just refresh only. See, weekend time. So this is how you can write any program using what? Switch case. In our next video, we'll talk about the loops, for loop, etc. Thank you everyone.